Hello to everyone. Some experienced riders say that on the long trips we need to be organized. For that purpose we need a lot of stuff and the right luggage system. So far everybody will agree with me, but is it possible to be minimalist and organized at the same time? The answer is about to come. Stay with me. Welcome back in the channel, guys. In one of my trips I met a young couple with big adventure motorcycle. They've got so much luggage. They've got a big panniers, top box and a lot of stuff. Actually, when I checked the bike from behind, it was like a small car. So when I asked them why they carry so much, the answer was that because they're gonna be on the road for a while. They actually were on the 2 weeks motorcycle trip. So when they opened their hard cases, what I saw inside, they split it actually on the different compartments, like your kitchen cupboards or whatever. They sorted everything on different lists and priorities and so on and so on. Actually, when you open it, the covers of the hard cases were also split on different things, and they've got a box on the top of the hard cases and small box on the top of the box and small box on the top of the small box. They've got a saddle box on the handguards on the front, a big top box, a bag on the top of the top box. Man, it was just crazy. I was really in shock, but I asked them how much luggage you're going to take if you go on the 2 months trip. Without even thinking, they said about the same. This is everything we need. So guys, the luggage you're going to take, it's always the same. It doesn't matter for 3 days or 6 month trip, the luggage is always the same, except the money. And if you have some medical pills, then you need to have more. Anything else, it's always the same. Remember it. The best way to convince you that you don't need that much is to show you some personal examples. The video I'm going to play now is from my trip to Ireland and Scotland. It was about 2 weeks and I need to carry everything I need. I will also show you that I know exactly where everything is positioned in my saddlebag. Total luggage I've got at the moment, it's all together 20 kilograms. It is my saddlebag and my tank bag. Actually only the tank bag, it's about 5 kilograms, because it is all of my camera gear, all cables, all chargers, all the stuff I'm gonna need on the road just to record my trip, and the rest is in the saddlebag. Here on the right hand side, it's the heavy part of the bag. It's about 4 kilograms altogether. It's my tent, sleeping bag, mattress, pillow, everything what I need to camp is here on the right hand side. Actually this size. And here on the left hand side, right on the bottom, are my tools. It's a small plastic bag with some spare parts, not actually tools, spare parts mostly, something I'm gonna need on the road. My first aid kit, and this big part here, bag like this, are my clothes. I don't have much. I have just walking shoes, 3 pairs of socks, 1 zip pants, 3 t-shirts, riding t-shirts actually, and 3 pieces of underwear and flip-flops. That's everything I've got. I've got also my rain gear, it's here in, and everything I need for just to brush my teeth and soap and stuff like that. So this is pretty much everything, guys. Here on the right hand side I've got 1 liter of oil in the case I need oil, to add some oil in the engine. And on the left side here I've got chain spray. That's it. Alright, as you saw already, I don't have much stuff. What is the most important, I know what exactly is where. It is the same with my riding gear. I know that my documents are in my inside right pocket. I know that my telephone is in my inside left pocket. I know that everything, my keys and everything is in this pocket. I know that here I have my air plugs and the cable of my disc lock. I know that on my rear big pocket I have some spare small parts and like fuses and stuff like that. I keep it here. I know that the money are in this pocket all the time. So when I check this pocket and there is no money in, does mean I don't have money, because I always keep my things exactly on the same positions all the time. It doesn't matter what I'm going to do, how long I'm going to travel, or where I'm going to travel. It is the same with my tank bag. I know exactly what I have inside, what I have in the transparent pocket, what I have in this pocket, everything. I know what I have in this tool bag here all the time. I know where my tools are, everything I need to have on the bike. I know where it is because I always keep it on exactly the same position. So the question now, guys, is am I minimalist or organized man? Let me know in the comment section below. If you want to know exactly what I have in my saddlebag, click on this window here and it will show exactly what I carry on all of my trips. In this video down here, you can see what exactly I have in my tank bag. As usual, guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Ciao.